Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Gas station can go really wild.
Dumbass. Hey, hold on. Hit my car, bro.
All you gotta do is touch this bitch. On my baby, hit it. On my baby, hit it. On my baby, hit it. Hit it. I did it. On my kids, anything for the movie. Anything for the movie. Anything for the movie.
Well, the guy's trying to talk to her. Calm down, baby. Life is good. I love you too.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
I'm like, bruh.
Hey, move your car, ready?
Crazy, right?
Damn!
The car is upside down.
Oh, damn!
Yeah! You dumbass bitch! You dumbass bitch!
Be that. Hey,
What the heck is she doing? What are you? What are you? Frankenstein? Dude. And she came out as if she's gangster. She's not bleeding with those clothes. That's not an armor. But she's coming out like a boss.
hey, we got one. Look at
I
She
don't
just sweet.
Look at all that glass. She crawled out of that like John Wayne, Commander, Rambo. I'm like, bruh, hey man, there's some of these black ladies, you gangster. You gangster. I mean, I would be like, ooh, I don't want to cut my hands.
Gay.
I'm no gangster then. It's weird. You have to have a society around you that is gangster to be able to justify this and be like, you know what? I'm going to come out like a gangster. I know, man.
Dumbass kick in, you finna go your dumb ass to jail over here. With your black racist ass, bitch. And you almost just hit my motherfucking car with my kids in it. Lucky, mama, you ain't just hit it, because I'll be beating your dumb ass.
This wild video was recorded after an argument started at Jackson Boulevard and Harlem Avenue
Oh,
at the
he hit them
Thornton's
in the
gas
head?
station Sunday after 3. Jay Mills recorded it all.
Cause they was like, they started throwing cuffs and bars. I'm like, it's finna escalate.
He was with his family, and they say the woman behind the wheel of the Ford SUV started hurling homophobic and racial slurs at the two.
Calling them the N-word and monkeys.
From there, the fight escalated as people were trying to pull up. The driver managed to exit out of the broken window and started laughing. Up close, you could see just how much damage was done. The driver and her male companion were far from done. Like Bonnie and Clyde, they were captured on camera trying to flee from the scene.
Like, come here, I go to jail.
Forest Park Police is only charging Nance. She didn't have a valid driver's license, and now she's charged with felony criminal damage to property, 2 counts of aggravated assault, reckless driving, among other charges. Tia Ewing, Fox 32, Chicago.
Well, all I'm going to say is, if you're going to do, all I'm going to say is, if you're going to be that gangster, at least have your driver's license, bro. I'm like, why? Why do you make a... Yeah, that's it. You got my perspective. You got the news perspective. The news got a little more information. We're not 100% sure that was a person that tried to escape the crime scene together. She didn't have a driver's license. She's okay, I don't want to say these words. Okay, I pity her. But I pity everyone. Do you pity her? just let me know. Comment, like, share, hit the bell notification, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, of course. And yeah, see you guys next time.
Convida-me a tua iniciativa, padrei ku indica e também que sum sativa. Te ainda não quer aceitar ku eta medicina, Bob D nang di eta causa rebeldia.